Have you ever thought about achieving everything you want with just a glass of water? If not, get ready, because in today's video, I'm going to reveal an incredible yet simple technique where a single glass of water will be your tool. I'm not here to sell you dreams. I'm here to challenge your thinking. You see, it's not the techniques that fail. It's the people who do. Today, I'm bringing you a very special technique called the water glass technique. Let me explain it to you in a different way. The most important thing is that I want you to try this. There's no point in just watching the video and saying, "Yes, I believe in this." What I want is for you to try the techniques I share with you, whether you believe in me or not. That's the most important thing. What I'm teaching you is so powerful that I want you to convince yourself that it will work for you. The only way to do this is by trying it with full dedication. Remember all the limitations you think you have. If you change your beliefs, you change your life. The most important thing is the creative power that we all have, which has been ignored and taken from us. You need to reclaim it because you are truly a creator. As Plato said, you are a universe yourself, but many of you have forgotten this. And if you wish, you can create your own world and universe. Attracting desires is real. Let me now tell you about this technique and why it works. If you notice, water turns to ice when it lowers its vibrations, and it becomes solid. In its middle state, it's water, and when you raise its vibrations by adding heat, it turns into vapor. You don't see it, but it's still there. Water acts as a bridge between the conscious mind, the subconscious mind, and the superconscious mind. Through water, we can connect with all of them. Another important thing is that water is a superconductor of energies in motion. Think about it. You may have heard of this idea before. For those of you who follow this channel, we've covered this in various videos. You can watch those for more details if you like. Alright, so here's the interesting part one wanted to share with you. Water can remember things. It's not just about memory. Listen carefully. Water reacts to what we think and feel, causing its tiny building blocks to change. Now, let's talk about the technique we're going to use. Its power comes from water's special ability to connect two different worlds. I'm going to explain each step to you, so make sure to watch this video until the end to fully understand it. Whenever you drink water, you're not just quenching your thirst. You're actually seeing your desires come true. Just like water spreads everywhere, your desires spread into every part of you, reaching every cell in your body. Remember, your mind is not just in your head. It's spread throughout your body. Our goal is to fill every part of our lives with the desires we dream of, whether those desires have come true or not. While doing this, imagine the effects which will naturally change the way you feel and think. This means that every time you drink water, try to feel that your desires are coming true, and spread that feeling to every cell in your body. Don't just imagine it. Try to add the power of your desires to that energy. So first, take a piece of paper and write down your intention. Whatever your wish is, write it down. It could be a certain amount of money, a relationship, a vacation trip, a new car, or anything specific. Let me give you an example. I'm attracting a loving and fulfilling relationship into my life. I believe in my power to manifest a loving life partner. Then, fill a glass with water and place it over your written intention. Now, rub your hands together until they're warm. Then hold them around the glass without touching it. Try to keep your hands in a position as if you're holding the glass, but don't touch it physically. The next step is to repeat your intention out loud. For example, I'm attracting 5 million into my life. I believe in my ability to manifest financial abundance. Then, close your eyes and visualize the final result. Feel it as if it's already yours. Don't imagine it coming to you in the future. Believe that it's already here. Then, drink the water from that glass and just watch the magic happen. Now, I want to give you some important guidelines related to this. First, repeat this in the morning and at night, and don't stop until it manifests. Usually, it doesn't take long to manifest, but one thing to always keep in mind is to start with small things when practicing the law of attraction, especially the principles of vibration. This is about strengthening your belief. You get what you believe in, and belief is built from specific contexts. The more examples you have that you have this power, the easier it will be to believe in it, and the fewer limits you'll have, and the more you'll be able to manifest things in reality. Manifesting 1,000 rupees takes the same effort as manifesting 1,000,000,000 rupees for the universe. But the beliefs and limitations instilled in us over generations have had a significant impact not just on our generation but on all previous generations. It's inherited and passed down through generations. We must understand that it's not our destiny that brings us things, but rather our internal programming that does all this. If we change the programming, we completely change our destiny. Another very important thing is to understand that while preparing for these rituals, avoid focusing too much on what you want. The real prize comes from doing it because even though we understand it in our minds, it's better to try it out. Instead of overthinking about what you're doing, just think directly about what has already happened. See how your mind, when uncontrolled, can try to stop you and make you think about things in the future that haven't happened yet. The main thing is to believe that you already have what you want. Feel like you own it, as if it's already a part of your life. If you keep doing this and believing in it, rest assured that one day it will definitely happen in your life. These are big ideas that work for everyone, and as I always say, don't just agree with them. Try them out. If you promise to try this technique, write yes in the comments section to let me know. Don't hesitate to write it down. Start small and get stronger over time. Feel your desires during the technique and keep going until they come true without waiting. Comment below on how you liked the video. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more such videos so that you get updates first.